In this video, I show you how to make zigzag flower. Start with 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And slip stitch. And make a 15 single crochet in the ring. 1 chain, 1, 2, continue around the ring. Now I have 15 single crochet in the ring. Start the second round. 4 chain, 2, 3, 4, and make 2 triple crochet together. Six single crochet in the space here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 single crochet in the stitch. 1, 2, 3, and repeat the same pattern 5 times. I finished 5 patterns. Next, turn work to back side. Make slip stitch 6 times in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And make slip stitch in the 6th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make slip stitch and 1 chain. Turn work and make 1 chain. 15 single crochet in the space. 1, 2, 3, 15 single crochet in the ring and turn work and start the pattern like for beginning. 4 chains and 2 triple together. 1, 6 single crochet in the ring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, and repeat the same pattern 5 times. Now I finish the second flower, the first, the second. I will start the third flower. Do the same as I start the second.